This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring basics are ready. Make sure Windows 11 has recent updates, and you're signed into your Microsoft account so help can be tailored to you. Once done, open Start and type, Get Help, or press Windows +S to search. This immediately surfaces built-in help and tips. While you wait for the app to load, think about the specific problem, exact error text, recent changes, and whether it's hardware or software related. You now use the Get Help app to describe the issue. Type a concise problem statement including any error codes and what you already tried. Once you submit, follow suggested articles and automated steps. These often include quick fixes and links to troubleshooters. Make sure to run the specific troubleshooter under Settings System, troubleshoot other troubleshooters, and observe results. If the automated steps don't resolve it, gather screenshots and logs to share with support or a community. You finish by escalating. Use the Get Help app's chat or call option and attach screenshots, exact error messages, and system info so support can act faster. Once connected, follow their guided steps. Avoid major changes like system restore unless they recommend it. If things still fail, make sure to boot into safe mode to check whether a third-party app or driver is causing the problem. This isolates the cause and speeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.